Hi, today in your phonics lesson, you learned how to recognize and use vowel sounds in open syllables. So you looked at the word cozy and you determined that cozy has two syllables, cozy. And you also determined that at the end of the first syllable, we have an open consonant because when you say your mouth is open, so we call it an open syllable. And we know that usually when this first syllable ends with a vowel sound, the vowel says its name. So the O actually says its name, O. So cozy. We also looked at the word major. It's M-A-J-O-R. And you split the word between the A and the J, and the A says its name. So you are going to continue looking at some different words and dragging the letter tiles to make the word, and then you're going to type the final word up in the boxes. So first you're going to start by dragging the card to uncover the new word. So we have reduce. Then I will find the letters to make my word. So I'm going to go R, E, D, U. Oh, that U didn't want to go. Try again. U, C, E. I'm going to double check that I spelled it right. I did. And then I'm going to say reduce or reduce. And I know that my marker is going to go between the E and the D. When I'm done spelling the word, I'm going to go ahead and type my word up here with the divider in it, reduce. Then I will uncover my next word, which is police. And I will write the next word down here, and when I'm done, I will type it in the box. You will continue doing this until you run out of cards or your board is filled, whichever one comes first.